Spelunky and Getting Over It are both iconic games. Spelunky is a roguelite, and Getting Over It is mainly known as a rage game.
Oh no! No! Oh God! No!
This video will be a brief introduction to the feel-based genre. When usually indie video games come out, you can find a group of them following a given trend or genre of the time. These genres were created from other genres of the past. For example, the release of Dark Souls eventually popularized and invented the Souls-like genre. Due to this, many Souls-like titles were released. These games usually follow the same Souls-like formula. Eventually, games will come out that build on the genre and change up the formula, thus creating new subgenres. Another example is Slay the Spire. It popularized the roguelite deck builder genre and caused many deck builder games to be created. And again, eventually games came out that changed up the formula to create a new genre. Now, let's talk about two titles, some of their game mechanics, and how I use them to make a game. First, Spelunky. Each playthrough, you platform through procedurally generated levels, collecting and killing things. You can usually be found in a cave, mining gold, and avoiding traps. Losing means starting over from the beginning. It has a compact gameplay loop that'll have you playing another run before you know it. Next, Getting Over It. Most people associate getting over it with rage or frustration. One of the reasons for this frustration is the movement. That's because the movement in Getting Over It has very unique controls. They must be learned over time. I will refer to games using this type of movement genre as the feel-based genre. If you've ever flown a helicopter in Battlefield or played Rocket League, you may know what this means. I'll elaborate. Playing these games for the first time can feel frustrating, as you can't control your character properly. You're fighting the controls. You might not even be able to move. But once you get the hang of it, you can pull off some pretty neat things. The skill ceiling is high, and players can express themselves with a depth of movement options. I recently released a game using the feel-based genre. First, let's take those two earlier ideas, a mining roguelite platformer and feel-based movement, and combine them. What I came up with is this: Rocket Cave Adventure. Hang on, wait, is this video advertising something? Look, I promise something will come out of this video. Maybe. But it might just be an ad. I mean, I don't know.
I told you he was on to us.
Alright, I'm going back to my voice now. In this game, I combined the roguelite exploration and trial and error of Spelunky with the feel-based movement of a game like Getting Over It, or Rocket League. The gameplay loop has you trying, failing, and starting over again, while the controls allow for some interesting player expression. Getting a feel for the controls is pretty satisfying. Finally, back to my point. I think we have a less explored genre that more game devs should tap into. The feel-based genre. Getting Over It popularized the rage genre. Now, we should build on that and popularize the feel-based genre. The game to do that isn't my game, but it could be yours. It just needs the right combination of game mechanics. So, for your next game, stop with the simpler movement and go out there and add some feel. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to add a quick note at the end of here. I've released a few of these types of videos where I'm talking about something and it's not just like gameplay or something like that. And they're usually pretty drawn out, so I tried to condense this one a little bit and make it a little shorter. So thanks for watching. Check out my game Rocket Cave Adventure, and please roast me in the comments. Bye.